Peace and blessings, everybody. This is Young Nas from iGotOptions LLC, and in this video I want to talk about what weeklies are. So every time you buy options, they have expiration dates. Now with that being said, you can buy options with different expiration dates. You can buy options that expire every Friday. You can buy an option that expires this Friday, next Friday, the Friday after that. That's the concept of expiration dates in terms of options. Now weeklies are options that expire the week of. So if you wanted to get a call on Tesla that expired this Friday, that is considered a weekly. That's considered a weekly contract or a weekly option. With that being said, weeklies are very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. I would not recommend for anybody to trade weeklies unless you're going to accept that you're going to lose how much money you put up. Weeklies are super volatile. So option contracts, when they have a lot of time to expire, they're not as volatile, they're not as sensitive to price changes. However, if you have a call option that expires like in the next 2 or 3 days, then logically it's going to be more volatile and it's going to be more sensitive to price action. So typically when people buy weeklies, they don't swing trade weekly contracts. They day trade using weekly contracts. The volatility is so high and holding that contract is so risky that it's dangerous to try and hold those contracts overnight when the market's closed. So that is what weeklies are.